We already talked on our channel about the benefits of aloe vera juice. Did you watch it? We recently taught you how to make aloe juice at home without a fuss. Have you tried the recipe yet? But have you heard about aloe and ginger infusion? It can be an alternative for treating gastric issues and detoxifying the body, besides lowering bad cholesterol and helping with weight loss. Aloe vera gel is refreshing and alleviates itchiness and constipation, accelerates healing, improves digestion, keeps the body hydrated, avoids dehydration, and is anti-inflammatory. Ginger acts mainly on weight loss, boosting the metabolism, relaxing the gastrointestinal system, and preventing nausea and vomiting. The ingredient is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, contributing to prevent diseases like colorectal cancer and stomach ulcers. Now let's see the benefits of infusing ginger and aloe. Helps with weight loss. Infusing aloe and ginger is highly recommended for detoxifying the body since it eliminates toxins and residues. It also boosts metabolism and helps burn abdominal fat. The ginger and aloe combo helps even with intestinal mobility, acting as a natural laxative. It is great for women's health. This infusion regulates weight, boosts metabolism, and counters both hot flashes and the sensation of cold hands and feet. Ideal for treating gastritis. Aloe vera is a potent anti-inflammatory, able to regenerate and alleviate infections, especially in the gastric mucosa. On the other hand, ginger inhibits the growth of Helicobacter pylori, bacteria responsible for gastritis. This infusion is efficient in cases of gastritis, reducing the inflammation of the stomach lining and avoiding the development of gastritis or ulcers associated with this bacteria. It also lowers pain, nausea, and malaises. Acts as a natural analgesic. Ginger, combined with aloe, helps treat the discomforts associated with problems like osteoarthritis, muscle aches, headaches, period cramps, and pressure related to varicose veins. Ginger is a natural analgesic with almost the same properties as ibuprofen. On the other hand, aloe vera is a potent anti-inflammatory ideal for all processes associated with arthritis or period pain. Helps lower cholesterol. Besides all the benefits mentioned before, this infusion also lowers triglycerides and bad cholesterol, LDL levels. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients. 1/2 spoon freshly grated ginger, 0.09 ounces. 1 spoon aloe vera gel, 0.52 ounces. 1 cup water, 6.75 ounces. 1 spoon honey, 0.26 ounces. Directions. First of all, never consume more than 0.10 ounces of ginger a day. In excess, it may cause undesired side effects. Now, bring the water to a boil. Once it boils, add the freshly grated ginger and aloe, the translucent gel inside the aloe leaves. Let it simmer for 15 minutes, then let it sit for another 10. Strain to remove any solids. Sweeten your infusion with honey and drink in the morning while fasting. If you are hypertensive or have Crohn's disease or gallstones, ginger isn't recommended for you. Aloe vera is only dangerous when consumed in excess. This recipe indicates the ideal dose for you. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.